so that you can focus better on the learning part. Okay, so let us begin. Friends, today is the 26th October. It's Monday at 7 p.m. We are all meeting with the intention how we can gather more and more leads. Okay, what kind of business you do, please let me know in the chat box. What kind of, see, okay, before I go ahead, this is going to be around 40 to 50 minute session. Okay, continuous session. And here, like maybe initial 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I am going to share my thought process, what I'm going to do, how you are going to learn. And then at the end, we are going to have completely question answer sessions, right? Okay, so this is about smart lead generation. Okay, how we can gather leads, how we can attract leads. It should happen. Can we do something like people are going to come to you, like you are going to be treated as magnet? So this is what we are going to learn in this 5-day workshop. Okay, I'm going to narrate everything in detail. Okay, so I will be more energetic when I see your response. Your feedback is going to give me a lot of energy. So number one benefit to me is I'm going to get energy. Number two is you are going to understand, yes, I'm learning something new in this process. Okay, and number three, the tools, whatever you are using, maybe the Zoom, your mobile or desktop or laptop, all will be very happy. Yes, because we are utilizing or learning or implementing something. Okay, with this said, let us begin. Okay, if you're ready to learn, please type in the chat box RTL. RTL means ready to learn. Okay, superb, superb. I want everyone to type fantastic, Suyata, fantastic, Nilima, superb. I'm really excited. Okay, yes, Swati ma'am, Mangesh ji, superb. Yes, see, once you are ready to learn, then there are more possibility that you are going to get the things faster. Okay, so this process is really a necessary process. Okay, fantastic. Maybe many of you, if you attended the last week session or last time, maybe for you it is going to be a revision. Remember, if you want to be perfect, then repeat. Repetition is master key of quick learning. Okay, so fantastic. I'm happy that you all are ready to learn the lead generation process. Okay, so first activity, I want you to type in the chat box what kind of business you are into. What kind of business you are into. Okay, friends, let me clear once again that this training program, this workshop is going to help you only if you're looking for leads. Okay, so please let me know what kind of business you are into. Okay, yeah, coaching institute, yes, you are going to get students. Okay, superb. What else you are into? We promote IVR, toll-free services, bulk SMS, superb. In that case, you are going to get, you need kind of say entrepreneurs who want to use your services. Education, yes. So whatever the services you are offering, whatever the courses you are offering, so people should get to know like how they can get the benefit. Trading food items and technical trainings, yes, Mangeji. So very good, very good. Okay, I'm happy to see your all responses. So friends, so first of all, I want to make it clear that the more you are going to experiment, the more you are going to involve, the more you are going to believe in yourself, the more leads you are going to get it. Okay, so so very important thing is that you have to believe that your product, whatever it is the best. See, as soon as you are going to compare with someone, maybe that product is there in the market already. Okay, so your motivation goes down. If you want to compare, then compare with yourself. Okay, be the better version of yourself. Okay, please type in the chat box be better version of yourself. Be better than the best. Okay, instead of the best, best is nothing but the stop. Okay, be better. Superb. Okay, I want you to learn the simple secret, that is that is be better every day. When you woke up, okay, the next day or before you sleep, you have to gain some skills. Okay, now in this 5 days workshop, I'm going to help you how you can generate more and more leads. Even when you are sleeping, the leads are coming to you. Okay, superb. Be better. Okay, fantastic. So now let us go ahead. So according to you, what do you think the leads are? According to you, what do you think the leads are? Leads means what exactly? So first of all, let me see your thought process. What do you think? What are leads? According to you, what are the leads? Yeah, definitely I'm going to help you. Definitely I am going to help you. It is my responsibility, friends. Don't you worry at all. Okay. Leads are the inquiries. Very good. Yes. Responses to your business. Perfect. Great. What are the leads? Let me know in the chat box. Yeah, so here I hope this is the training program. It's not the lecture, friends. So here we are going to interact with each other. So I want you to take action. I want you to always be in action mode. Okay, superb, superb. The more you are going to take action, the better you are going to learn. Excellent, excellent, fantastic. Okay, so you are right. So leads are it is the phase, these are the inquiries or the responses, but specific to your product. Okay, nobody should buy your product before they become your lead, or before, we can also say it as a prospecting. Okay, before, nobody should become your customer before they are going to become prospect or the lead. So first phase is very, very important, is the lead phase. Okay, so first of all, you have to make something that they are going to become your lead. Hope you're understanding. Super. Responses to our business. Yes. So you can make it everyone. Whenever you're typing, you can make it everyone so that everyone can see the responses. Okay. Yeah. So what are the leads? What are not the leads? Especially, friends, whenever 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 we think like, I have Facebook friends of say 1,000 friends I do have, they are not your leads. For example, you might be having the YouTube channel and you might be having say thousands of subscribers. They are not your leads. They are actually YouTube's leads, or YouTubers, I can say, or Facebook users. Okay, they are not our leads. Even you might feel that I have a group, sir, wherein I have hundreds of people connected to that group. They are not your leads. Okay, yet not they are leads. Okay, we can say it is in the say cold phase, we can say. Okay, so we have to convert them into the leads. Leads are nothing but the people or the person, or so the response, who know about you or your product or service, and they thought to buy. They not yet bought your service, they are thinking to buy your service. So that is the process, that is the phase, what we can say it as lead. Okay, so now I'm going to discover a framework, a kind of say blueprint or a skeleton, which is going to help you to understand how we have to nurture our people. Okay, want to know? Super. Now let me share. Okay, let me directly inform you about this, friends. Yeah, so the framework is, yeah, the framework is, first of all, you have to understand, it is a kind of say funnel. Okay, so first of all, you have to be very, very precise whatever you are doing, or you have to identify the leads specific to your product or service. You cannot say that who are your customer, that everyone is my customer. In that case, no one is your customer. Okay, then you have to be very precise. Yes, the people, say example for me, especially for this course, whoever looking for leads are my prospects, are my leads, I can say. Okay, whoever want to grow their business with the help of leads, they are my prospects. So first of all, we have to be very, very precise. For example, who are not my leads, who are already working, whose stomach is already full, okay, they are not my leads. Okay, whoever wish to grow in their business are my leads. So first of all, you have to be very, very precise. You have to identify your area of specialization. In short, I can say it as niche. So first of all, be very, very clear about your niche. And next comes is the very, very important part, that is the content. Friends, people are not going to refer you directly. They are not going to search right now, and they are going to buy your product. So first of all, we have to work out on the content part. Okay, let me give you an example. We buy newspaper. Okay, we recharge our mobile with internet services, whatever the plan we are having. What is the intention? We buy newspaper, maybe we are investing only say 5 rupees or 10 rupees, okay, to read that content which is summarized in a perfect way. Maybe there are 20 pages. Out of those all 20 pages, only one page we might be interested. We might be interested in only the headline or the inside editorial or the last page matches or something. But still we buy for that content. We may invest something. So content is very, very important. Why people refer Google? Because that is a platform, a system they have established. Like you are going to search everyone and you are going to get that information. So something is prepared. So content is very, very important. So first of all, see, nobody is going nowadays because of say, you can say information bombarding, or you can say the knowledge explosion. Okay, it is growing like anything. Okay, so what can be done on the content? It has to be short and sweet. The content has to be short and sweet. Okay, then only people are going to read the content right now. Okay, definitely people want to go in depth whenever they want to go. So first of all, initially you have to attract in such a way that they are going to understand the things faster. So next is initially offer people some free content. Why do offer free content? The simple formula, okay, I used to say all the time, it is G to G. Means what? There is a Newton's third law also, action reaction. So something like that. So G to G means what? You are going to understand these things in detail, maybe in coming sessions. I'm going to share a lot of content to you. So I want you to type in the chat box G to G. G to G means what? Give to get. Okay. See, as soon as you type in the chat box, you are going to understand it and you are going to implement it better. So yes, G to G means give to get. What are the things you do have, what you can give, so that you are going to get it? So always remember, friends. So we should have something. Yes, Kalpesh, you want to speak? Okay, I thought you raised your hand. Okay, maybe um, let me complete my content. Okay, and maybe you can ask in the chat box the questions. Okay, I'm going to cover all your questions. Okay, all your questions will be answered. Super. So now next is G to G, that is give to get. So you have to decide. Okay, you have to decide what are the things you have, what is that you are going to give, so that you are going to get. Okay, so always remember this principle. What you can give is maybe you can give some content to attract people. you can give some, you can get some traction on search engine. Remember friends, anyone is going to search on say Facebook or Google, okay, your content should be displayed there. When this is going to happen, when people are going to click your links, maybe in the form of say blog, your website, your article, or even on Facebook, okay, then you are going to get more and more visibility. Use the social media as a platform to share your information, not as a say taker. Okay, be giver first. I hope G2G is clear. Okay, G2G means give to get. Okay, so maybe one assignment for you friends, do it. Okay, I have many friends who have done this assignment. Everyone do it. Okay, so for you, okay, you might be thinking like we are meeting first time, and why this person is giving the assignment. Okay, even many of you don't know me. Okay, I can see like many people know me, so I'll not introduce. You can refer me anytime. Okay, so yes, one assignment for you is list out 11 minimum, okay, 11 plus reasons why people should visit your website or contact you, why they should buy your product or services. You list out 11 plus reasons. Assignment is clear? Well, okay, okay. What's the advantage? Okay, let me share the advantage of this. Friends, as soon as you have these reasons, okay, these are nothing but your, I can say, the some points what you are going to share to the end user, why he or she should connect with you. Okay, these are going to be the real reason to attract people to your community. Why people should join you? Why should people take your food services? Why people should take your education? You should have at least 11 plus reasons. Okay, the reason should be authentic, genuine, and attracting. Okay, as soon as they say yes, I'm going to give them um, quick, concise notes, especially in case of education. Why the students or parents are going to attract towards you? Because they want to study smarter. They don't want to read the reference books or search everywhere. They want to get everything at one place. Next part is the quality. Friends, initially it's fine, but later on, only the quality or the premium content matters. Because if you ask people, they always prefer the best one. Even you can see there are so much material information is available on Google, YouTube, Facebook, but still people are following or referring only those people who are having quality content. So try to have content which is quality content, and share the details with all the end user as soon as possible. Next is have some lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? Lead magnet, maybe initially you can use is some, you can say CTA, call to action. Okay, call to action means what? So example, I shared with you some information about smart lead generation, free live training or workshop, and then I have given the the link to join the WhatsApp group. Then what happened is you joined. Almost more than 170 people joined the group. Okay, so this is what is happening because you are, say, that is a lead magnet. So always try to have kind of, say, this is a simple example to have the lead magnet is create a WhatsApp group and share that link and some information to end user. If you want information about my education services or the courses, then do join this group. So many people are going to click and do join there. But it is your responsibility to share some valuable, useful information and help them, nurture them to become your prospect. Now those days are over, friends. Like people are going to buy without referring any alternative or any other services. Okay, super. So now let me go ahead. So always, before you have any lead magnet, you should have kind of say proper call to action. It can be email to you, okay, or WhatsApp to you, or call to you directly. People can directly call you, but ideally, I recommend you to go for WhatsApp group. Even if you don't want to disclose the privacy of maybe the end user numbers, then in that case you can go for say Telegram group. Okay, nowadays Telegram is becoming very popular, especially in learning the things, because especially in case of Telegram, there is an option that you cannot disclose your identity, especially your contact number. Okay, similarly you can go for Facebook group, but normally once anyone is going to get connected to Facebook, then there is possibility that he or she is going to become your friend and know other details. But especially Telegram is very, very good platform to learn better. So there are many, many options. The easiest and the best one which works effectively, and that is WhatsApp group. I hope you're clear about lead magnet or CTA, that is call to action. I may be taking some points which you feel like what is this lead magnet, what is CTA. Okay, these are all different terminology we have to learn to become better in lead generation process. Okay, so especially friends, the lead is a, if you have only the name of the person, for example, if I know that Ishwar is my lead, no, that is not going to work out. Okay, one important thing you should have, what is that? What are the important things you should have from a lead? What are the important things you should have from a lead? Yes, please let me know in the chat box. What are the important things you should have from a lead? Minimum. This is the minimum. At least this element I should have. What is that? Please let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box. Superb, superb. You are right, Ishwar. Yes. Yes, Harpreet ma'am. Superb. You are absolutely right. So the minimum thing we should have, and that is either email ID or mobile number. Okay. People prefer to share email ID instead of mobile number. I hope you're getting me. But yes, if you have mobile number, that is more and more better. But if people are not ready to share mobile number, then get email ID. What you can do is email ID compulsory, optional mobile number, name is not at all required. Hope you're understanding me. Okay, because once you get email ID, then you can send regular email after certain interval, so that you can continuously connect with him or her. That is your lead. If you have the mobile number, you can send SMS, you can send WhatsApp, like you can call, you can interact. Okay, that will be much more better. Okay, that will be more better. So try to have minimum thing required is either email ID or mobile number. Okay, so always remember, nobody is going to give, for example, if anyone asks, sir, what is your number? I'm not going to disclose my number. Then what is going to be there? You can give something. What you can give? Okay, you can give, say, maybe kind of say a report or a PDF ebook, or maybe a one-to-one discussion. Okay, say 15 minutes. I'm sharing some mini secrets, friends. So 15 minutes interaction. You can ask any questions related to this topic. For example, if you're having a course or content, you can inform the end user that yes, you can ask anything about this course or this subject. Okay, that is also a good idea. Or even you can give 1 hour dedicated live training. Maybe you are having a video. Okay, you are having a video which is uploaded on YouTube, but you can make it unlisted and share it to the end user. This is available only for those people who are going to give you the details like email ID, mobile number, and name. Okay, email ID compulsory, mobile number preferred, and name is not at all mandatory. Okay, so this way you are going to collect the information. Yes, super, super. So try to use the lead magnet. Friends, content, what are the content type? As I said, you can start writing the blog. Okay, say you are writing some article. What are the 10 ways to get success in this course? What are the 10 ideas or 11 3 smart secrets to learn the subject better? Why this person is on top? 3 reasons. Are you getting me? If you can start writing this kind of content, then people are going to connect with you better. Yes, very correct, Suvarna ma'am. Okay, 3 or 5 secrets. Thank you, Swati. Superb. Let's go ahead, friends. So then you can share. See, already in market there are many books available. You can summarize the thing. Okay, you can summarize the thing and you can share. Okay, then people are going to connect with you. Wow. Okay, this is a great summary. Even if I'm going to read this summary of this book. Okay, the whole book I can understand. Okay, because of you that is happening. So you can share maybe 10%, 20% of your content or course. Also, that is also absolutely fine. So even you can share, say, podcast, video, as I said. Even you can share some white paper, your analysis, or somebody might have done the analysis and you are sharing to the end user. That is also absolutely fantastic. Great. So next comes is the attention. The first activity is identifying your niche. Second is the content. Third is the attention. Always remember, now the world is becoming very, very vast, or the courses or the content is becoming very, very vast. Then what is required is we have to be very specific. For example, there is a crowd, and if you say hello, nobody's going to listen. Okay, if you say hello all ladies, then maybe girls can listen. Okay, or you can say it depends. Hello all students who are preparing for IIT JEE. Now it is very, very precise. If any students are there, they are going to immediately listen. And again, any parents are there whose kids, whose children are in who are preparing for IIT JEE, then they are definitely going to listen. Are you getting me? So we have to be very, very precise. The third activity is the attention grabbing. Okay, how you can create the attention, how you can create the grab the attention by, as I said, by writing the good blog, by creating videos, small videos, maybe of 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and sharing it on Facebook, YouTube. Okay, that these are the attention grabbing activities. Then comes is the inorganic ads, inorganic traffic. That is, see, either organic means that is happening naturally. Inorganic means we have to make it happen, especially in Facebook or on YouTube or on Google. You might have seen the ads. They compulsorily, they forcefully ask you to see this ad. Why this is happening? Because somebody is investing for those ads to show you, to get your attention. So very important activity is to get the attention. Do whatever is required to get the attention. You can even get some traffic from say guest writing. Guest writing in the sense ki, for example, I'm writing for you, or on my website you are writing for me, or on your website I'm writing for you. So from there also I'm getting the leads, or from my website you are getting the leads. So this is also a great idea. Yes, I'll come back to the questions immediately. Okay, let me go to the next. The fourth step is the trust. Let me repeat. Number one step is the niche, that is the area of specialization clear. Second is the content should be high quality. Third is the attraction. Okay, so immediately you should get attention, attraction. Next, fourth step is the trust. Remember, friends, people are not going to buy. They don't want to be the first person. Okay, nobody want to be the first person. Okay, nobody want to be the first person. Means what? See, let me take an example. The mobile. Okay, you may not buy in the first attempt. You saw the mobile and you bought it. Nothing, never this is going to happen. How the things are going to happen? For example, I saw somebody using the mobile. I heard the features of those mobile. I saw the ad or the holding displayed on the main road. I saw the ad on TV, on mobile. So much information I heard. Then I bought that. Hope you're understanding. I'm taking an example. Coming back to say anyone is going to join your course. So initially they hear about your course. Then they understood from one of your friend or relative, like, yes, that class is very good. That institute, that academy, that training center is perfect. They give content very good and something's happening. Especially in case of newspaper, they announce the advertise whenever they say, oh, good, Chatty classes is good, or this institute is good, this center is good. So this kind of information they are getting, or especially on a website also, they are putting some testimonial. Because of my sir, I learned all of these things. This is kind of a testimonial. So you have to come up with a better testimonial. Okay. And say maybe you can, there is a concept as known as retargeting. Retargeting means what? You might have experienced this. For example, you just visit some websites like Amazon. Okay, you just visit Amazon and search for a product. Search for a product and see now what is going to happen. You go to any website. You go to any website, you'll find the same product. How many of you have experienced this? If you, please type me in the chat box. Let me know how many of you have experienced. Oh yeah, yes ma'am. Correct. So, okay, this concept is known as retargeting. So normally, whenever you visit any website, what they do is they collect some code. Okay, especially in Facebook, it is known as pixel, Facebook pixel code, Google Analytics code. Some code they are going to collect. Every user is having some ID, Facebook ID, Google ID, something like that. Okay, fantastic. So once they collect your data, and now they are going to inform Facebook. For example, Amazon, what Amazon informs Facebook is, this is my budget. I want to show to these IDs. I'm ready to pay extra. I'm ready to pay according to the per click or per visibility purpose. Okay, so this way the retargeting has been made. And again, sometimes what happens is they are going to show you that product. Sometimes they are going to give you that product with some discount, or they are going to give you some alternative product to that. Say maybe you are searching for, say, a washing machine. Okay, maybe this is good for you, or now go for these are the top 5 variety of washing machines. Are you getting me? So it depends on the concept what they are using. So similarly, if you get once any lead, then you have to retarget. Remember, friends, this is very, very important concept I'm sharing. Maybe on day one, only just right now, you can remember the fourth step is building the trust. Building the trust. Okay. See, why Lux soap or Lifebuoy soap or anyone, why Aishwarya Rai is promoting these things? Because people are having short short memory, I can say. Okay, if they don't advertise for a month, then there is more possibility that people are going to forget Lux or whatever the normal brand which is coming on TV. Okay, so that is why people should not forget. So they are investing with good brand and all these things, and uh, building that trust. And the last phase, friends, fifth phase, let me repeat what we understood. Number 1 is niche, area of specialization. Number 2 is quality content. Number 3 is attention. Number 4 is the trust. And number 5 is very important, is the transaction. That is the sales, or I can say conversion, is going to happen. Okay, so if you follow all this process, the fifth step is very easy. If you follow all these 4 steps earlier, because once you gain that trust, now no matter what, the lead is going, then they are going to search for you. They are going to make sure that they are going to buy from you only. Okay, yes, that's it. Okay, let me share. Okay, till now, any question you have, please you can raise your hand, or please let me know in the chat. Till now, if you have any question, please let me know in the chat. Achha, I haven't informed, okay, about this workshop. Okay, let me share information about this workshop. This is 5 days workshop, 5 days. Okay, every day. Earlier, I thought to conduct all days live, but many of you might be busy. So what I thought is I'm going to share a recorded video for you so that you can watch it anytime, anywhere. Okay, but that is available only for that day. Okay, and along with that, I'm going to share assignment. Nowadays, I'm focusing on action, friends. Always remember, if you take action, you are going to get the result. If you take action, you are going to get a result. Nothing is going to give you the result. Those days are over when we are just study or just learn. Okay, definitely learn, but implement the things faster. Whatever you are going to learn. Today, I given you the assignment. Anyone know the assignment what I shared? Please let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box what assignment I have given you. Today, I shared one assignment. Take your time to write down what is the assignment I given you. See, friends, only, as I said, superb, Kalpesh, fantastic, great, great. You are very, very good learner. More energy to you. Yes, friends, the assignment is write. Good, Swarna ma'am. Yes. Everyone, do remember. Okay. The assignment is 11 reasons why people should contact you, why people should connect with you. Okay, just think. 11 plus, I can say. Okay, in last batch, there are some students who worked for 51 reasons. 51 reasons. Okay, I completed this assignment with 108 reasons. Okay, there is some special number, 108, 108. You can think on that. If you want to be the master, go for it. See, friends, whatever I am implementing, whatever I am getting the results, I'm sharing with you. Okay, I'm sharing the results, the ideas, whatever I have implemented. Okay, fine. So as I said, it is going to be 5-day session. It is completely free. Only request is to make sure that you are going to be the part and learn actively. Learn actively. That is very, very important. Okay, and complete the assignment. Okay, I know that it requires a lot of effort, and every, my ultimate goal is you should get within these 5 days, you should get minimum 10 leads. It is 100% sure. Okay, only the thing required is taking action. Once you take the action, you are definitely going to get the leads. That's it from my side. Yeah. Okay, maybe I'm going to share the recording, and if you need any help, we are going to have the question answer session rather than complete session. I'm going to we will have the question answer session, and on the last day we'll definitely go for live. Okay, that will be an added advantage. Any questions from you? You are now free. You can unmute yourself also if you wish to speak. The stage is yours. Any questions from you? Okay, questions are not there. It means 2 reasons. Number 1 is understood everything. Number 2, understood nothing. Okay. Thank you, Harpreet ma'am. Superb. Now it's time to take action. I want only you to get the leads. My intention is you learn the idea, you learn some skills, you learn some concepts, how to get more and more leads. Okay, and this workshop is going to help you to in short summary. Yes, please. Any questions you do have, you can raise your hand, you can ask in the chat, you can directly unmute and speak. All facilities are available with you. Where can I get the videos? Yes, the video will be shared in the group every day, maybe between 9 to 10 a.m. morning will share, so that you can get sufficient time to finish on the same day. Friends, normally what I have observed is once we understand, yes, it is available, then people become very lazy. Okay, this is my experience. Okay, but still, the intention is that yes, you should learn. That is the only intention. Superb. So let us start this journey. So how many of you are ready to complete the assignment? Please type in the chat box I. How many of you are going to complete the assignment? Let me see how many of you are going to complete the assignment. Type in the chat box I. Yes. Let me see how many of you are going to complete the assignment. Superb. Suyata, fantastic. Great. We'll definitely try. Okay, try. You can remove this word, try. Okay. Yes, either yes or no. Okay, once we say yes, once we say at least I, then there are possibilities. Okay, once we say try, then there are little bit less possibilities. Yes, these are going to be very, very simple assignment, friends. Super. Yes, I will. Super. Okay, so these will be very simple assignment. As I said, today is 11 plus reasons why people should connect with you. Okay, that is the assignment. Okay, any questions from your side? Okay, superb. Thank you all. Okay, so this is all about today's session. So let's meet every day with the objective how to get more and more leads. Okay, I'm working on a big project. Even like when I say G2G, give to get. So I just thought on this. Very soon, my birthday is coming next month. So what I thought is, how can I give maximum input to maximum people? How can I help more and more people? Then what I have done is I have created a system wherein every day you are going to get a gift. How many of you love gift? Please type in the chat box LG. LG means love gift. Oh, great. Swana ma'am, love gift. Super. So for you, I'll definitely share in the group, but still you can refer oa.ourarea.in/ourarea-gift. Please refer this link. In this link, you are going to get, you have to just submit your, that is the course is there. You have to just join that course and you are going to get everyday gift. The content and everything is specified there. It is free. Yeah, it is free till 10th November. Till 10th November, it is free. Okay, I don't know the future. Okay, superb. Any questions from your side? You can unmute yourself or you can ask in the chat box. Any questions? Welcome. So superb. So this is all about today's session. So let's be connected in the group. You'll get a lot of update in the group. Every day morning, you are going to get the next assignment with the video. Okay, superb. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye. Thank you.